Lasfit YouTube. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Pretty much today I'm gonna do a small little project, little upgrade. Pretty much, I'll be switching out my halogen bulbs and replacing it to LEDs. So this is the care package that Lasfit sent me, and this is my 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport manual. So let's go. Alright, so this is pretty much going to be my trunk light, this is going to be the reverse light, and this is the new T3 series signal light bulbs. I'll flip it around, here you go, boom, boom, boom. Man, I'm excited for this one because this is the new updated version, so can't wait how it looks into my car. Alright, first I'm going to install is my trunk light right here. As you can see, this is the old halogen bulb. It's not as bright as it is, so this is going to be the new LED lights from Lasfit. It's going to be the LT10. I'm going to put it right here. I'm not sure if we can focus right there. Boom. Alright, so when you uninstall this little gap right here, you could just pry it out, or you could use like a Phillip or a flathead, or not a Phillip, but a flathead. So just dig it in here and just pry it out. And that's easy. Boom, right there. There's two ways you could do this. You could unplug this, or you could actually unplug the halogen bulb. But be careful, this could be hot too if you guys if you leave the trunk open. So I'm just gonna pull the light bulb just to feel it. It's hot. Come on. There you go. And that's the old halogen light bulbs. This right here, this side is gonna be connected to right here, okay? Just make sure it's the right side. Oh, that didn't even connected and it's already lighting up. Look how bright that is. Look how bright that is. Boom. And put it back in place. Damn, look how bright that is. That's amazing. So the next one is going to be the LED TT15 reverse light. So let me focus this right here. Alright, so changing your reverse halogen light bulbs, it's going to be right here on your hatchback. It's going to be the same thing as the driver's side too, so I'm just working on the rear side here. Pretty much you'll see this gap right here. You're just going to pry it out. Oh. And you can just pull it lightly, and that's it. Alright, and also I'll try to close my trunk. The light bulb is just right here, okay? You can just turn it to your left. Remember, always righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So just turn it to your left if you can, if you reach it, or you can unplug it and just turn it to your left. Okay, so it's gonna be clockwise. There you go. Like it's gonna be the same step. You're just gonna pull it out. Boom. There you go. Before you actually put it back in, make sure it works. If it doesn't work, you can always flip it over and see if that works. Okay. So that works. So pretty much put it back in, and like I said, remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's put it back in. I'm very excited for this one. I have to say for this one, this is one of the newest and upgraded Lasfit signal lights, turn signal lights. It's going to be the T37443A. So I'm excited for this one. I'm happy that they actually sent me this one for actually just try it out and see how it looks. Alright, so removing the rear tail lights, pretty much you're gonna use the pry tool once again. See this black shielded, plated, or whatever you call this thing. You're using a dig in right here, this little gap, and you're gonna pry it out. Okay. Comes out like that. These are 8. Right here, the little screws. Bring it closer. These are 8, but I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver instead of a ratchet. All right, so pulling this out, it's gonna pull this right here. You're gonna have these 2 tabs in here. Let me just bring it around. So there's 2, like 2 locks in here. So I'm gonna dig my fingers in the bottom, try to pull it out, but be careful because you can snap it. I'm just gonna wiggle it around. Pulls out that way. Boom. There's 2 ways you could do this also too. You can remove the connector, which I'm gonna do that right now, so I won't have to. There you go. This is the halogen signal bulbs. Connect it. Hopefully this is the correct way. Before you put everything back and tighten them, make sure just to try it if it works. Before locking everything in place. So I'm gonna leave it in that. Yeah, you can see the big difference. So let me tighten this up so I can make you guys see the driver's side and see the big difference. And this is amazing. So it's really bright. Hope you guys like my video, my day and night video shoot. Pretty much thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below if you guys like it, don't like it. And also thank you for Lasfit for sending me a care package to upgrade my halogen bulbs to LED lights. You guys are doing an amazing job. Please check them out at www.lasfit.com. Also use my coupon code M8IIN, which is MAIN, to get 15% off. Peace out, guys. Thank you once again.